In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a debit card to your Robinhood account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can fund your account quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging in. Make sure you're on a secure connection and signed into the correct account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your account area where all your personal and funding options live. Next, head to the top left corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. From that menu, select Transfers. This is the hub for moving money into and out of Robinhood, and it's where you can set up and manage the accounts you fund from. On the Transfers page, scroll down until you see Linked Accounts, tap Add Account. This is where you'll choose the type of funding method you want to connect. Since we're focusing on debit cards, select Debit Card. If you're wondering why you'd pick this option over a bank account, here's the big advantage. Debit cards typically allow instant deposits, so your funds can be available right away. Just keep in mind that instant deposits often come with limits, and your individual limit may vary. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your debit card details like the card number and expiration date. Type them carefully and double-check for typos before moving on. The information needs to match your card exactly. If the app asks for any additional card info, follow the on-screen prompts and keep everything accurate to avoid delays. When you're ready, tap Continue to link the card. The app will verify your details. If everything checks out, your card will be linked and ready for use. If you see an error, don't panic. Some banks don't support debit card linking for this purpose, and that's usually what's going on. In that case, you may need to try a different card or consider another funding method within the app. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Robinhood allows only one debit card per account, so if you already have one linked, you won't be able to add a second. Also, if you rely on instant deposits, remember the limits. Larger amounts may take longer or require a different funding method. And that's it. You've navigated to Transfers, added a debit card, under linked accounts, entered your details and tapped Continue to finish. You're all set to fund your account more quickly when you need it.